A day in my F&B position. I am working as a waitress in a restaurant during a night shift. My main role is to take the customer's order, serve their food and drinks, and make sure that they are satisfied. Good evening, ma'am. Welcome to our restaurant. Here is your menus. Please take your time, ma'am. May I take your orders, ma'am? I'd like to order one well-done steak, one chicken pasta, and one slice of chocolate cake. For my drink, I'd like an original lemonade. That's all. Thank you. Certainly, ma'am. May I just repeat your order? Your order is one well-done steak, one chicken pasta, one slice of chocolate cake, and one original lemonade. Is that all, ma'am? Do you have any special requests? No, that's all. Thank you. Please just wait for your order. Thank you. I have one order, please. One well-done steak, one chicken pasta, one slice of chocolate cake, and one original lemonade for table 4. Thank you. Here is your order, ma'am. One well-done steak, one chicken pasta, one slice of chocolate cake, and your original lemonade. Please enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Now, let me present a possible problem that I may encounter during my shift. Excuse me, I ordered a well-done steak, but it's a medium rare steak. I cannot eat this. Also, the cake tastes like onions. I cannot eat this either. I sincerely apologize for the mistake, ma'am. Let me check your order and inform the kitchen right away. I will have the correct order prepared for you along with the new slice of chocolate cake as soon as possible. Excuse me, chef. There was a mistake with the order from table 4. The customer ordered a well-done steak, but the medium rare steak was served. Also, her chocolate cake tastes like onions. The customers cannot eat those food. Could we please have the correct order prepared as soon as possible? Thank you, chef. Thank you for waiting, ma'am. Here are your corrected and replacement order. One well-done steak and a fresh slice of chocolate cake. I also brought you a small free treat for the inconvenience. Again, I apologize for the mistake and inconvenience, ma'am. Please let me know if you need anything else. Thank you so much. I really appreciate how quickly you handle the situation and replace my food. Thank you. You are very welcome, ma'am. I am glad I could help you. I hope you enjoy your meal and please let me know if you need anything else. As a waitress, I need to show professional attitude such as courtesy and adaptability. For courtesy, I need to always be respectful and polite to the customers and my coworkers. I should speak to them properly and treat everyone with respect. I also need to be adaptable in the workplace because the restaurant can be busy and things can change. I need to adjust to different situations, especially when there are many customers, unexpected problems, or changes in my task. The skills that I need are communication and problem-solving skills. I need to communicate properly with my customers about their orders, concerns, and requests. I also need to communicate clearly with my coworkers to avoid mistakes and confusion. I also need to have a good problem-solving skills. I need to listen to the customer's concerns, understand the problems, and find a good solution quickly and properly. My importance to the team, A restaurant cannot run smoothly without waitresses who take care of the customers and their orders. My role is to connect the customers with the rest of the restaurant team. By taking customers' orders properly, attending to their needs, and ensuring their satisfaction, I can contribute to the success of the restaurants. I also help the team by communicating customers' requests and concerns to the kitchen and other staff members.